Let's learn how to patch holes in a wall. Here's the tools we're going to need. You can buy all of the supplies for just over $10. These are the holes we're going to be fixing today. We're going to start out by sanding the wall completely flat before we get started. Next, apply a generous amount of spackle to your putty knife and start covering the holes. Make sure to completely fill the holes. Don't be afraid of making a mess. Spackling is easily washable. After filling the holes up, I would recommend taking your putty knife and smoothing out the wall, trying to remove any extra spackle. This will help with the sanding process later. Now we let this dry. Your plaster container should tell you the recommended dry time. Some of them even go on pink and dry white. Now that our plaster's dry, all we're going to do is sand again. Make sure to get the wall as smooth as possible. Before painting, I would highly recommend wiping the wall off with a damp rag. This will get rid of all the dust from sanding and make the paint stick better. After painting, you should have a pretty smooth wall. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.